Hey guys, this is Julie Willits from juliewillits.com, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your free custom domain with Clickfunnels. And you know what? Until like a couple of weeks ago, shame on me, I didn't even know that this was possible. And you pay for coaching, you pay for training, you pay for mentoring, and sometimes people just assume about a lot of stuff, and it's just a little tiny simple things that can help others out. So what I'm going to do today is, here I'm in my Clickfunnels account, and you're going to go to your settings over here, and you're going to go to domains. Okay, that was going to bring you here, and you're going to add a new domain. You can add your own domain from an external source, or you can choose a domain right here, and then you're going to search for what's available. So you're going to have to, come up with several different choices, right? Because you don't know what's going to be there. Okay, so jules.com is not there. Now, if you're branding yourself, you want to try and maybe use your name as much as you can, or if you have something else that that's very domain specific, maybe you're selling something, or you have digital courses that you're trying to sell, or perhaps you're just starting out and you want to go ahead and maybe you put in there your middle initial, and see if that's available. Nope, that's not available. So you're going to have to search several times to come up with something that's available of what you want to use. So you're going to have to make that decision on your own and figure out, I have one that I just did recently for my free. So yeah, it's totally unavailable, which I already know that. So let's just go back to domains. So once you search that, let's choose one. Okay, now that one's not free, but that's probably because I already have a free one. Okay, so that would be available, but I would have to pay for it. Does that make sense? Okay, so let's go back to domains. Now once you actually pick one, which I did the other day, is pick juleswillits.com, because sometimes people call me Julie, some call me Jules. So you're going to go here, and I'm going to go to edit, but it will bring you to this. So when you go to your default page, you're going to pick one of the funnels that it's going to actually go to. Okay, and then when they go to have a error page, you want the default funnel that it will go to. Okay, and then here I didn't set up any rules for domain forwarding, and then you can actually expand this and get a SSL for the domain, which I already received. Now some of this is going to take a few minutes for them to actually verify it and go ahead and get this SSL. That probably takes the longest, which is just a few minutes though, and they notify you immediately when it's ready. Okay, so that's how you can set up a free domain without having to go out and get one. Now, if you have Clickfunnels, or if you don't have Clickfunnels, you know, this is a funnel building tool. Most of us use funnels when we're trying to market in our business because we want people to opt into our email address, which is the opt-in page, and then usually we have a thank you or a bridge page in between that before it goes to whatever offer we are trying to sell. So this will help you get started, get out of the gate, and get going, because you're not going to have to go to another site and then forward another URL into something like GoDaddy or Namecheap. You'll already have it here. And what you can do from there is, once you sign up for Clickfunnels, you get a 14-day free trial. Now, say that you're not going to build your own funnels. There is a way to contact them, and say you're going to use a business that has funnels built for you. So you can ask them that you only want 2 shared funnels every month, and that will cost you $19.99. Now you can go in there and change the funnels, but it can only be 2 that you can use in this account for the $19.99. Otherwise, you're going to be on a 14-day free trial, and then thereafter it's going to go up to $97 a month, and that's up to 20 funnels. So it's up to you, it's up to your budget, it's up to your business. You know, I don't know what you're trying to accomplish, but those are some options that you can actually seek out on your own. Now, Clickfunnels does not actually advertise that they have the $19.99 available. Have the $19.99 available to the customers. So you're really going to have to reach out to support, let them know, once my free trial is done, I only plan on using 2 shared funnels, and I want to have that $19.99 monthly fee available to me. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so underneath there. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you're looking for other tools, I can actually list them in the description. And also with my primary business, we're actually having a 15-day free challenge to actually teach you how to market an online business, and I will enter that in the description also. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Okay, bye now.